Students will need to do this investigation on a sunny day. They may want to postpone this lesson if the day is cloudy. Help the student place a pole vertically in the ground. Students should measure the height of the pole from the ground and the length of the pole's shadow, the time, and date. They will need to wait 15 minutes to measure and record the length of the pole's shadow again. Have them measure the shadow every 15 minutes for an hour or more. They should see a pattern in the numbers. Students might want to take a few measurements in the morning to show that the pole's shadow gets increasingly longer during the morning hours. An eclipse of the sun is a rare and dramatic event when the moon's shadow falls on the Earth. Have students design and make a model that demonstrates an eclipse of the sun using a flashlight to represent the sun and a ball to represent the moon and the Earth.